So it's like Christmas. We get a great box to open. We want to check it out. We pull this open after we've cut all the straps, and you can see here they also take their padding on the inside of the boxes very seriously. Pull the padding here. And you can see here, this box contains the front strut assemblies. You can also see that this actually uses a stock type upper hat. This will not have built-in camber adjustment in the upper hat, but it will provide a more compliant ride and also have some less parts to adjust here. Your camber adjustment will still be done down at the lower knuckle, just like stock. You can also see here, this is a pretty beefy assembly. You see how thick these parts are. And a lot of your aftermarket suspensions, this is just going to be some stamped steel and be fairly flimsy. They do work just fine, but this has gone to the next step. This is very strong and very thick metal here. You can see your adjustment here. This has double adjustment to where you can adjust the height of this suspension without affecting the preload like you would if you change the spring position here. You can also see that this has some street objects in mind here. It has dust shielding, it has a high performance powder coating on this spring. These are going to look great for a long time. You don't have to worry about driving around the block and coming out and these are rusted already like you may find with some other kits. So of course there's two front strut coilover assemblies and these will basically bolt in just like stock. So we are going to go ahead and show you how that installs. Please subscribe to our channel and like our video. It really motivates us to make more videos like this. We don't just do this to sell products. We're really passionate about the platform and the things we have. And we want you guys to see firsthand what these products are all about and what they can do for you.